I'm gonna have you take a nice deep breath in. Deep breath all the way out. Good. Just relax. And I want you to breathe in and out through the nose only. Nice deep breaths in. All the way out. Good. Good.
That's a good one.
Very nice. Now we're gonna go this side. Deep breath in. All the way out. Coming down. Good.
Yeah.
So neck moving really good today. All right, gonna bring your head to the side. Gonna have you take a deep breath in. All the way out. And just relax that shoulder. Good. Coming down. Nice. Bring you to the side. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Good. Great movement in there.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh.
Good. Nice movement.
That was a good one.